MBA-Exchange.com is a comprehensive careers platform dedicated to business professionals seeking mid-career to senior management roles. Our employers directory includes the most relevant employers, domestic and international, across industries. You can search using multiple criteria, including our custom tags such as impact, venture-backed, visa sponsors, to name just a few. Below the search, you see the matching employers, neatly displayed with colorful tags. Clicking on the company logo or image will take you to the company's profile page, and clicking on an industry will take you to the industry report. Clicking the star in the top right corner of the thumbnail will add the employer to your favorites. An employer profile includes all the relevant information about the company in one place. The content is dynamic, so tabs and boxes only appear when applicable. The Overview tab gives a snapshot of the employer. It features a concise description, editor's notes, latest news, a word cloud reflecting its core missions and values, great for writing cover letters, recruitment process, and other company info. The Development Programs tab has all the MBA-level programs currently on offer. The Job Stats tab captures the company's recruiting activity for business professionals, globally, by region, and by country, including top job areas and sample jobs. It also includes the recruitment by job area, with the top hiring locations, a word cloud based off recent job titles, and a chart of required skills. Lastly, the table at the bottom contains all the MBA-level job postings by said employer over the past 6 months. Under Events, you can see all past events that the employer participated in on our platform. In most cases, recordings are available. At the International Student Hiring tab, you will see specific jobs for which the company has hired international students, with their profile info to compare. Finally, the H-1B tab contains all H-1B applications for business professionals, including the complete table of such applications, going back several years.